Hi guys, welcome to Bahu's Tech Tour. Today I want to explain basics of HTML. I just create a basics.html page and each and every HTML file should start with doc type. This doc type tells the browser that which HTML version we are going to use in the file. Doc type is not a case sensitive. We can write in small and uppercase. Next, coming to HTML. This HTML tells the browser the content we are writing between HTML open tag and HTML close tag is nothing but that is a HTML file. The browser understands by the HTML tags this file is HTML file, and by the doc type browser understands the HTML version. In HTML, we are using two parts, head tag, and body. So, in HTML, we have two types of tags, open tag and closing tag. Tags gives the structure for the content they are writing within the open and closing tags. For example, table tags, the content should display in table structure, and if we are using list tags, the content will be displayed in list form. Tag will gives the structure to that content between the open tag and closed tag. There are a second one is self closing tag, nothing but void elements. Self closing tags, for example, images. In head part, first of all, we are writing the title. Title is also a tag. This title will displays the browser document title. HTML basics. Title plays a role in Google keywords search engine optimization. And next, style. If we want to give styles within this page, we will give internal styles. Between these style open tag and close tag, we are writing the styles. Next, script. In script, we are writing the actions and events, functions of JavaScript. JS functions. Next, coming to meta tags. These meta tags are self-closing tags, and we are using meta tags for content, description, character set, char set, viewport. So for all of these things we are using meta. The syntax will be meta keyword char set UTF-8. This char set is nothing but the ASCII values. For all of these, we are using meta tags in head part. We will see how to write that meta name keywords content HTML CSS JS. So this is the syntax we are giving. The keywords of this HTML document will write here in content. Next, description. Meta name description content This is a basic HTML introduction. Meta name equal to viewport, content width equal to device width equal to device width, comma, initial scale equal to 1.0. Here the viewport is nothing but browser viewport, and this is for responsiveness of the web page, and this initial scale is when we are refreshing it gives the zoom value, initial zoom value. So these all are we are using in head tags. Coming to body tag. Now I didn't write anything in the body. Let's see what is displaying in the web page. Let's open file in browser. See here. Nothing is displaying here because I didn't write anything in the body part. So by this we can understand the browser is displays only content within the body tags only. And the in header we are writing title, so this the title is displaying here. Let's write something in HTML body tags. H1 welcome to Bahu's Tech Tour. Let's see. Now we are getting welcome to Bahu's Tech Tour, which I write in head tags, which I write in body tags. Now H2 happy friendship. Let's see the output, refresh it. So happy friendship day. This is H1 tag and this is H2 tag. These are called H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 are the heading tags for the HTML. Now I want to explain element. What is HTML element? Element is nothing but a content between the two tags. Nothing but opening tag and closing tag. The content between the opening tag and closing tag is called element. These are all elements only. H2 is also an element. Title is also an element. Body is also an element. Body also within the body is also an element because it is within the HTML opening and closing tags. One more thing we want to discuss is input attribute. Attribute is nothing but, for example, I want to give some image. For image, I have to give the path of the image within our folder. Directly, I can't give. So for this, I want to use some attribute for the to give the path. That attribute is nothing but source. Source dot slash images. I have already images folder 1.jpg. This source is nothing but the attribute for this image tag. In this attribute, we are giving the path of the image. HTML tags are nothing but they will give the structure to the content, and element is nothing but the content between the opening tag and closing tag is called element. Attribute is nothing but that will mention the type of the content. Now for this H1 we are getting bigger size. Let's see output. We are getting big size font for H1 tag, that for H2 tag we are getting some small font text. Now I want to style this Happy Friendship Day text. We can style an HTML element in three ways. Right now I want to explain you two ways. First one is inline styles and second one is internal style. Third one is external style. I first of all I will explain by writing internal inline style. For inline style, the syntax will be style. Style is the keyword to write the style. Style equal to, we have to mention the color. I want to mention color to change my color of the text. I will give blue. This is the key value, like color. Color value is blue. Syntax will be key colon value. This everything will be right within the double quotes. This is the HTML inline style syntax. Now let's refresh and see here. See, Friendship Day color will be in this color displays in blue color, and image. We are getting image also. For this image, I will write styles in internal styles. I already told you internal styles will be writing within head part of style tags. Image. In the syntax will be this image tag. I will take this image tag and open curly brace and close curly brace. Now I want to define width and height for that image. Width 200 pixel, height 200 pixel. So in this way we are giving the internal styles for the HTML document within head tags. Let's see. Refresh. See here. External style sheet I will show you in other video. Yes guys, this is just basic HTML knowledge. Thank you.